What does this look like? Fear when confronted with a strong opponent. I've gripped the racket. Your strong punches. Go ahead, throw one. Strong punches. Ah yes, you need to widen your stance and support it. Now come and exert force. You missed the opportunity. How to generate power, no problem. This way. Attacking like this isn't easy. Opportunity, correct. Prepare for the powerful attack coming your way. Excellent. Powerful punch. Sure, no problem. Just one more. What's the purpose of that? When I hit to the back of your head, you block. If I hit to the side, you brush your chin. Understand? Try it out. This ball is almost like hitting my head. Brush your chin, still feeling the spin. Let's do it one more time. That's a brush, you hit one. Watch how I brushed it off. Hey, brush your chin or block. Is this a bit slow? Use your body weight to push through. Brush with your chin. It feels awkward, then hit to the side. I'll aim for the back of your head. Am I blocking slower than you? Yes. Am I too exaggerated? Not really, right? Yes, you're focused. I'm just a bit slower than you. Okay, understood. You have quick reflexes. Extend your arm. Okay, very good. Did you hit the back of your head? Get past the chin. It's just this minor detail. I evade with my forehand, then return. Right, evade, return. Can I do this with my forehand? Avoiding the dodge, loop the ball like this. This is the forehand side. See, the ball is approaching. Loop it like this. This is incorrect. Lost. I evade with my forehand. Evade. I'll go for it. Avoid using both hands to dodge. Engage your core. Is that okay? Avoid dodging. The ball is coming from the backhand side, right in front of you. When using the forehand, the ball is on the front side. You need to step back slightly and face the ball. The backhand side is right in front of you. You still need to move to the side, step back slightly. What are you doing? The ball is round. Use your racket to hit the ball at various points, applying force in different directions to generate spin. When it spins down, it drags the chin. When it spins up, it presses the occipital bone. Press is a verb. See, it's instructing you on how to exert force, correct? The occipital bone is the striking point. Pulling the chin. Pulling is another method of applying force. The chin, also a ball position. Easy to understand, isn't it? Yes. Maintain a steady pace, okay? Just follow along quietly. Once you touch the ball, return it right away. Keep it at a constant speed, got it. Once you perform this return motion, maintain that steady pace. I blocked it, then I flicked it back. Did you see that? I even feinted a shot. I blocked it, a block, then quick snaps and fakeouts. Block it, a block, then flick it back. Did you catch that? Why do these things occur? It's due to my well-timed blocks, got it? How's it going for you? Maintain a steady pace, okay? Follow along quietly as I block. Keep narrating continuously. Got it. When moving with the ball, you cannot execute a deceptive move afterward. and the shot should maintain a consistent speed. Hold the ball and block swiftly. Okay, understood. Understood. Hey, isn't this a bit weak? I'm just blocking and hitting, right? Watch this one, it's coming straight at you. See it? There's a subtle difference. If you don't focus on my shot, you'll miss the chance to read the game. Notice how, despite being slow, the ball still has a bit of curve, right? Why? Because I looped it lightly. What did I do to the ball? Added spin, right? Is this ball going? It's not moving, why is that? See, it's slow like this too. Let's try another one. Isn't it weak? See, it's still slow, still a chance. Some shots don't land, maybe you're not reaching them. Slightly high, why did you push and end up high? It's slow but still too high, isn't it? Key lies in the variation. Slightly high, isn't it? It was a bit fast, but he managed to stop it. How high can you go? You can always loop the ball again. No need to lift it, just give it a try. Can you loop it right? Can you still loop this one? No, you need to bring it back. Haha, not at all. So serving is fun, the excitement is right here. Please like, subscribe, share, and support the Mingjing and Diane program. Okay. When you shift your weight to your left foot, you're actually looping the ball along the curve, right? When you shift, tuck in your belly, stick out your butt. It's also looping the ball, and the purpose of bringing in the index finger is to loop the ball. Ultimately, you still need to hit the ball with your hand, right? Control the racket with your fingers. Use the racket. Right? How can you escape from using your hand? Many people suggest using your legs to hit. Is this a segment from here to here? If I position a segment here, is it directly to the left of the abdomen? Is the body extended? No. Okay, I'll relax here. Once I move my hand and tighten my stomach, have I made contact? I haven't hit yet, as you can see. Can I hit now? Can I loop? Can I loop? Did I pivot? Let's review. I haven't made contact yet, I'll begin with that. Just relax here. Extend the abdomen. Easy, right? No dodging, understood. Engage your core, is that clear? Engage your core, got it. Isn't that good? Why hide? Dodging is correct, isn't it? But I won't dodge. Engage your core. That's it, engage. Push through, give it your all. No hesitation. Got it. Correct. Isn't that good? Seize the opportunity. Rise with quality. Stand up for yourself, stand at attention, engage your legs. His legs were all loose. I demonstrated once, but why did he immediately straighten up? Slow down. Slow down faster, focus on quality. Does quality matter? In this scenario, quality is crucial. If you don't seize this excellent opportunity, others will. Fundamental, this style. Got it. Why is this crucial? Adjust your swing while anticipating the ball's descent. That's your style. When looping with the forehand, always aim towards the inside. You're still serving a side spin ball, right? Serving a side spin ball can be challenging. What should you do next? Loop the ball smoothly, relax, and adjust your swing midway. Therefore, relaxation is a crucial factor. Transition from this position to that one like this. Right, this is how you locate the ball directly behind. Right, to hit it out. Let's break it down for you, alright. Understood, now quicker.